Artificial intelligence, or AI, is like giving computers a brain. Instead of just following instructions, AI lets computers learn, think, and make decisions. AI uses lots of data to learn patterns and solve problems. It's kind of like how we learn from experience, but AI does it much faster. AI is changing the world in many ways. It has the power to analyze information quickly. Imagine reading thousands of books in seconds. AI can do that. This ability helps AI understand things like language, images, and sounds. AI can also learn from its mistakes and get better over time. This means AI systems become more accurate and efficient as they are used. AI is already part of our lives, even if we don't realize it. From the moment we wake up to when we go to sleep, AI is working behind the scenes. It helps us find information, connect with friends, and even choose what to watch on TV. AI is becoming more common in our homes, cars, and workplaces. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect even more innovative applications in the future. AI has the potential to solve some of the world's biggest challenges in healthcare, education, and the environment. One of the most common ways we experience AI is through virtual assistants like Siri and Alexa. These helpful companions can set alarms, play music, and answer questions with just a voice command. Imagine having a personal assistant available 24/7. AI-powered virtual assistants are becoming increasingly sophisticated in understanding and responding to our needs. Another example is recommendation systems used by platforms like Netflix and Spotify. These systems use AI to analyze our preferences and suggest movies, TV shows, or music we might enjoy. Have you ever wondered how these platforms seem to know your taste so well? It's all thanks to the power of AI. AI is also used in healthcare to diagnose diseases and develop new treatments. By analyzing medical images and patient data, AI can help doctors make more accurate diagnoses and provide personalized care. The use of AI in healthcare has the potential to save lives and improve patient outcomes. From self-driving cars to smart homes, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. As AI technology continues to evolve, we can expect even more exciting and innovative applications to emerge, making our lives easier, safer, and more enjoyable. AI is not just for consumers. Businesses are also leveraging its power to improve efficiency and productivity. One way businesses use AI is in customer service through chatbots. These AI-powered assistants can handle customer inquiries, provide support, and resolve issues quickly and efficiently. By automating customer service tasks, businesses can free up human agents to focus on more complex issues. AI also plays a crucial role in data analysis, helping businesses make sense of vast amounts of data. AI algorithms can identify trends, patterns, and insights that would be impossible for humans to process manually. This data-driven decision-making enables businesses to optimize operations, personalize marketing campaigns, and gain a competitive edge. Moreover, AI is transforming industries such as finance, manufacturing, and transportation. In finance, AI is used for fraud detection, risk assessment, and algorithmic trading. Manufacturing companies utilize AI for predictive maintenance, quality control, and supply chain optimization. The transportation industry benefits from AI-powered traffic management systems, autonomous vehicles, and route optimization algorithms. The adoption of AI is enabling businesses to streamline processes, reduce costs, and unlock new opportunities for growth and innovation. By embracing AI, businesses can enhance their competitiveness and thrive in the rapidly evolving digital landscape. The future of AI is brimming with potential, promising to revolutionize various aspects of our lives. As AI technology continues to advance, we can expect to see even more sophisticated and transformative applications emerge. From personalized medicine to smart cities, AI has the power to address some of the world's most pressing challenges. One exciting area of development is in healthcare, where AI is poised to transform diagnostics, drug discovery, and patient care. AI algorithms can analyze medical images with remarkable accuracy, aiding in early disease detection and personalized treatment plans. Imagine a future where AI-powered robots assist surgeons in complex procedures, enhancing precision and minimizing risks. Another area of immense potential is in education. AI-powered tutoring systems can provide personalized learning experiences tailored to individual student needs. Imagine a world where every student has access to a virtual tutor available 24/7, providing guidance, support, and customized learning materials. The future of AI is not without its challenges, however. As AI becomes more powerful, it's crucial to ensure its responsible and ethical development. We must address concerns related to privacy, bias, and job displacement. By fostering collaboration between policymakers, researchers, and industry leaders, we can harness the transformative power of AI while mitigating potential risks.